They dropped the rope.
Down in the
He
big.
tripped his head down this night. The birds are very cool. Good job, the road by road.
Good job. Next page. What's it say?
Says,
The sun has set.
the workers and truck to interfere. And by when they go to bed, there was a sleepy hit.
Hold on. One more sentence. Then wake.
And then they work and trips and play.
Good job. Next page. He slowly folds.
And then me with a page.
Which page?
A crane page.
The crane page.
Crane.
There it is.
No, that's not a crane one.
This one. You're right. The next page was a crane page. Read it.
And you touch
Working hard.
and everything is getting dark. So one by one he go to it. Then it's just a CP hit.
He slowly folds.
His back there, and it takes him
And one sleepy grin.
and takes him. I said,
Then cuddles up.
I go this on it. He missed a compliment trip.
It's coming. It's this one. Here's the concrete mixer.
No, this
Look, that one.
Oh.
Spinning, churning.
No, I gotta go see. I gotta go see it. Here's the concrete mixer here. Then
Let's finish reading the book. You gotta read the page.
This one. And